At a school picnic, a teacher placed a pile of apples at one end of the table with a note that said, "Take only one, God is watching." At the other end of the table was a pile of cookies, to which a grade 2 student put a note saying, "Take as many as you want, God is watching the apples." You're welcome.
Hi! Oh, go hide.
Yeah.
Hello. What you do? What are you doing?
It's froze.
Yeah.
Dang it.
Oh, nice. Just got a blow on it.
What the frig? You should have done it then. It just flew open. All at once.
Hi, girls. Hi, girls. Oh, who's pretty?
Look at your cones. They look beautiful. You guys look fabulous.
Couple of nice
Just two?
looking eggs.
Somebody's holding out on me. Somebody's holding out on me.
They've been laying 3 though.
Who's holding out on me?
They
Oh,
have
that's
been laying
good.
3.
That's good. You guys look fabulous for winter.
Yeah, it's they got a heater though.
Yeah.
So that probably helps.
Look at these beautiful ice caves. Jeremy and I just hiked like an hour in to see them. Wave, you're kind of camoed. Now we're supposed to go down there. I'm scared.
Cruel, cruel world, must I go on? Cruel, cruel world, I'm moving on. I've been living too fast, and I've been living too long. Cruel, cruel world, I'm gone. This big old world sure got me running around. I heard a voice that said, just settle down. And with the moonlight as my guide, and with this feeling deep inside, I know now that I am homeward bound. Cruel, cruel world, must I go home? Cruel, cruel world, I'm moving on. I've been living too fast, and I've been living too wrong. Cruel, cruel world, I'm gone. Desert rose, desert plain, I have seen.
Okay, so we're gonna build a little closet around this electrical panel here and this water tank. Just a small one in front. We don't actually have a door to put on it right now, so we're just gonna frame it in so it's ready to put an accordion door or something later. But for now, we'll at least have it ready there. So when we do that, it'll be ready to do that. Maybe we'll get one for it. But now, I don't know.
Yeah.
We're at least gonna get it framed around because we need like the closets and stuff in place for when we, put flooring down and stuff like that. So the framing has to be in place. So
And to finish the drywall, because we have to do one more sheet, right?
yeah,
behind
for
me,
any of that stuff, it
Yeah.
has to be kind of all done, especially the floor because
Yeah.
flooring's not going in there.
No.
We're gonna run the flooring into that. So
Yeah.
we're gonna do that now. So we'll build a couple, like just little spots, 17 and a quarter. Like we'll just build out a couple little things to get out past this stuff here, because that's like a lot of bulkheads and stuff we gotta do. But we'll just we got stuff scabbed on here, so just gonna bring it out here just to give me something to fasten to that gets me out past this, and then the walls go up to here. You're gonna be out past that water line, and then all this will be bulked, headed in, and everything later. Eventually, all this randomness will be hidden.
Yeah.
It's obviously not like the ideal way to do this, but we kind of didn't really expect to do what we did, so this is where we are. So we're gonna build this out and then attach the wall to it. And the same with this side, to get it out past that. So it's not like a normal build, but
Nothing we do is normal.
yeah, we literally go day to day, so
Yeah.
that's fine though. 93. 70 1/4, 93, and then we'll do our little walls.
All right.
Look pretty good. So this here, like, you see why I'm on this edge here? And this window will be coming out. Right, this whole section will be like a walkway out to the extension. So that's why I'm just putting this on here and the walls stop there. But this will eventually be like a walkway through. $97. 33. It's a 1/4 inch away from being a perfect square.
Cruel, cruel world, must I go on? Cruel, cruel world, I'm moving on. I've been living too fast, and I've been living too wrong. Cruel, cruel world, I'm gone. This big old world sure got me running round. I heard a voice that said, just settle down. And with the moonlight as my guide, and with this feeling deep inside, I know now that I am homeward bound. Cruel, cruel world, must I go home? Cruel, cruel world, I'm moving. I've been living too fast, and I've been living too wrong. Cruel.
Nice big knot there. Just do a piece of shh. Boop. See that good?
Yeah.
Look at it, it's all wicked. Some good piece of wood. Won't even say up.
Yeah. That's how good it is.
This is really bad. This one
Yeah.
is horrible. Oh my land, it's almost not usable. It's so bad.
Right. Yeah, it is so wonky. Holy.
Yeah. These ones are the greatest I've ever seen. Holy frig, these are all bad.
Oh, that sucks.
Not as bad as that one, but
But all
pretty
right.
bad. This one was sitting around here for a while.
Probably why.
Oh, those 10-footers are from the... They're just what we took out from the shed. They weren't even great
Right.
pieces to begin with because we were just using them for that.
Right, you probably never even cared.
No. Down here will be where it's
Oh yeah, look at it. The middle one.
yeah.
Might need to nail it.
Now. Yeah, that middle one's really crooked. As long as you can nail something on this side of it,
Yeah.
which you may or may not be able to do. Look at it. Okay, we're not in place.
Well, that's awkward.
See how lower there?
Yeah.
I knew then that I must
Cute little closet.
go to her from this cruel world. Cruel, must I go on? Cruel, cruel world, I'm moving.
But we're not going to be finishing in there, so as long as we can screw a board on, like
On the outside.
to there, then we'll be alright, which we will be able to. We'll cut that bottom plate out.
Yeah. And it's easy, you can still get in and get what you need done in here, like to get back there or into here. Still lots of room too if you want to get in and you have to fix anything down here or on the other side or in the electrical panel. Which I don't know how to open, so.
You don't need that.
Yeah. Still lots of space though. That's good.
Yeah, you get everything.
Yeah.
So that's good. It's just straight in with the cords and stuff.
Yeah.
Alright, just finished up plowing. We get a fairly good sized driveway, so it takes a little bit of time. Starting to take more and more time now for the next couple months. Just keeping up with the plowing, but I actually enjoy doing it, so no big deal other than the time it takes, but I do enjoy plowing, so it's a good thing because for a couple of months there'll be lots of it. You see down, you got a decent sized driveway up and around. And quite a bit of snow will be coming down now. But like I said, I like doing it. It's kind of relaxing in there. Plow with the tractor, it's not too bad. Nice to have a blower on it someday, but one thing at a time. I can't complain, the loader works pretty good, so it's a pretty good thing to have to remove the snow. Makes it easy to push the snow around too, so. Or to move it around if you're gonna move like piles of it. Anyways, I need to get some diesel now, because I'm pretty low, so I just kind of cleaned it up pretty good, so I did end up running out the tractor halfway through the road and then have trouble getting by it, so I got it cleaned up though, so I'm going to get some more diesel and finish it up. There's more snow coming anyways.